Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelechi again, frankly, and in this video I'm going to be showing you an update on SWAPNEX.io to show you guys how this particular website is still paying, making a lot of people money even till today as I'm talking to you right now. And I'm going to do a live withdrawal to show you that it is still possible for you to make a deposit, enter a trade either on the manual or the automatic, and you get started and make a lot of profit out of the SWAPNEX.io platform. So for those of you who are looking forward to do arbitrage on any of these platforms, SWAPNEX.io is still always available and is still giving the best out of it. So I have done a video on SWAPNEX.io on how you can be able to get started. Please check the link in the video in which I have done months ago on how SWAPNEX.io works, how you can be able to get started with it, what is expected for you to do, and all of that. I'll leave the link in the description, so please follow the link in the description and then get started and sign up. You also will benefit from this. As you can see here, I've made over $248 and I have a balance of $62. So guys, I'm going to make a live withdrawal and show you how this particular website is still working and is perfectly working as of today on particular video. So guys, now if you look at my trade so far, my transaction so far, let me just open it. It's loading up. I want to show you my transaction to show you guys that this particular website is still working perfectly well and you can also get started with it. So guys, this is the transaction aspect. Once you click on this transaction, you'll see the different transactions in which you must have entered. And as you can see here, I have made a lot of profit out of this my transaction aspect, in which I just finished an open order in which I made over $54, and as you can see there, and also some affiliate referral commission in which I also received. Now I want to make a withdrawal to show you guys that this particular platform is still working. So for you to see how this particular platform works effectively, I will leave the link in the description in which you can be able to watch my previous video in which I have made concerning this platform, or how you can be able to get started and what is required in order for you to start making money for yourself. And as you can see guys, this is the different trade in which I said you will also make. You will get a clearer understanding if you watch the previous video in which I will leave in the description box. Please do well to check it out, where I talked about how you can be able to make use of the manual method or the automatic trade, in which you can be able to go in and get started and make a lot of profit for yourself. So right now I'm going to be withdrawing this particular $64. Sorry, I want to make a withdrawal on this particular website right now. So I'm going to be making a withdrawal. So I'll go to my wallet so that I will show you guys that it's still possible for you to withdraw your fund and all of that. But before you withdraw your fund, you need to ensure that you have done two important things for you to get your withdrawal done successfully. You need to ensure that you have done a trade on the platform, and once you have done that, you need to also your Google authentication, in which will enable your phone to be able to reach to your wallet. So for those of you who want to withdraw your phone, all you just need to do is to link your Google authentication, and then it will allow you to be able to receive your phone directly to your wallet. So right now, all I have to do right now for me to withdraw this my $52 is for me to go to this withdrawal aspect here. Once I click the withdrawal aspect, you will see a prompt like this that will appear telling you that you should put in the wallet address and then you put in the amount you want to withdraw. So for me to be able to do this effectively right now, I have to go to my Binance. So guys, once you come to your Binance, all you just need is go to your wallet as usual. You go to your spot aspect, then you now have to go to deposit, because you want to deposit fund. It will ask you what you want to deposit. I will click on I want to deposit USDT. Now I will go and select the USDT I want to withdraw, in which is my USDT TRS. These are the below here. So USDT TRS, which is this here. So I will click on it. So once I click on it, I will just copy my wallet address. Once I copy my wallet address, I will be able to go back to my SWAPNEX.io. Now once I come to my SWAPNEX.io, in this particular area here, I will now put in my wallet address, then put in the amount in which I'm going to do right now. Wallet address right now. So this is my wallet address. So once I put in my wallet address, I will now put in the amount in which I want to withdraw. So right now I'm going to withdraw all the funds or all the USDT that I have in my wallet, in which is $62. So I want to be sure. So I want to be sure. All I have to do is to cancel. Look at it here. I'm going to withdraw 62.13. So I'll do it again. So I'll go back and click on 62.13. So I'll just put in 62.13. 62.13. So this is the amount I want to withdraw. And then once I have been able to input that, so the next thing I have to do right now is to click on withdraw. Once I click on withdraw, it will load up, and it will load up. I'm waiting for the prompt that will tell me that I'm okay. As you can see, guys, they say the withdrawal request is sent. Please wait for a confirmation from the financial department. I'll click on OK. Now this particular fund will be able to move out from this particular wallet so that I can be able to see it on my Binance wallet. So I'm going to wait a little bit. Once it arrives, I will be able to show you guys that it's still working. And this thing was able to work because I have been able to link my Google authentication, in which allows me to be able to withdraw my fund effectively. So for those of you who want to make withdrawal, all you just need to do is to ensure that your Google authentication is valid or is working effectively, and you also want to ensure that you are also on a trade. You must have done a trade on this particular platform, because if you have not done any trade at all, you cannot be able to withdraw your fund even though you have linked your Google authentication. So I'm going to wait a little bit so that my fund will be able to go back to my Binance account, and I've been able to withdraw more than $200 in this particular platform, and it's still working and all of that. So if you want to get started, you can also use the link in the description box to sign up and get started and all of that. So let me just wait a little bit so that my fund will be able to reach my Binance wallet. So guys, after waiting for some minutes, my withdrawal request was approved. As you can see here in my dashboard, my withdrawal request was approved. It was approved, so I was able to withdraw $62 as we did together. $62, that is what I was able to withdraw. So it was approved and it is now in my Binance account. So this is my Binance account, and this is it, guys. My 62.13 US dollar was approved and is completed. It's in my Binance wallet. So this is to show you the guys that SWAPNEX.io is still working perfectly well. This is the video, guys, in which I did 3 months ago about SWAPNEX.io, and a lot of people have been making a lot of profit from out of it. You too can also join this platform and start making profit out of this particular platform. The link of this particular video will be in the description box. Please do well to check it out first before you decide to invest and get started with it. You can also sign up with a link in the description box so that you won't go to the wrong platform. And once you sign up, do well to do all that is required by linking your authentication so that you can be able to withdraw, and then start using the auto trade or the manual trade and get the best profit out of this particular platform. So if this video was helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you have not done so. See you on my next video. Peace.